Are you wondering about the PEGA Certified Business Architect certification and if it could be your next big step? In this video, I will break down what the certification is, why companies value it, and how you can leverage it to boost your career. So, what exactly is the PEGA Certified Business Architect certification? In simple terms, it's designed for professionals who want to bridge the gap between business needs and technology solutions. While PEGA system architects are more hands-on with configurations, business architects focus on translating business requirements into functional designs inside PEGA applications. Think of it this way. You are the person who ensures that what the business wants is exactly what gets built in the PEGA platform. Now, why does this certification matter in 2025? PEGA continues to dominate in industries like banking, insurance, and healthcare, where digital workflows and automations are critical. According to recent salary reports, a PEGA business architect can earn anywhere from $76,000 to $127,000 a year in the US, depending on your experience. And here's the kicker, companies are not just looking for developers, they're actively hiring business architects to drive projects, manage requirements, and ensure digital solutions align with business goals. And that's exactly where the CBA comes in. If you're considering the certification, here's what you should know about the exam structure. It is scenario based, meaning you will be tested on real world situations rather than just theory. Key focus areas include case lifecycle design, business process modeling, data integrations, and decisioning and user experience. Passing the exam proves you're not just familiar with PEGA terms, you actually know how to apply them to solve business problems. Now, you must be wondering, is this for me? If you're currently working as a business analyst, consultant, or a project manager in PEGA environment, or you want to transition into digital process automation roles, the CBA is a great fit. It's also a stepping stone if you plan to pursue more advanced certifications in PEGA down the line.